Hello, Mr. Jones here. And today in class, hopefully you're at the Zoom, but if you're not, you have this video to help you figure out how to do the assignment for the day. It's really important to show up to the Zooms because in the Zoom, I basically tell you exactly what you have to do and I give you the answers to the little quiz you have to take. So those people who are showing up to the Zooms pretty much all have really good grades. So let's make my face smaller and push me to the side here. This is your landing page. Today's Tuesday, and you click on this 1020 hypothesis and variables. Um, and if you missed it or you're like a week behind or something, you always just go to modules. And in modules, you will see all of the assignments I give you. I make a different module for each date of class. Now, if you have a 0 in Skyward, you just match up that date, and maybe it's off by like 1 day, but you look at Skyward and it says 1020 this, and you have a 0 there. Then you come to the modules and you see which module is here on 1020, or October 20th, and you click on this here. Here's the lesson that we did on Zoom. So we looked at this PowerPoint together and went over it. So if you're doing this on your own, you'll have to look at this PowerPoint on your own, write down important facts, write down what you think is important. Here's what it looks like. So there's a bunch to write. I would make sure you write down about the different variables. And then we do a little bit of interactive stuff, and then make sure you write down what you need to know about a hypothesis. So you do that, and then you go back here where it says hypothesis and variables assessment. So where you see the stars and assessment, that means it's like a quiz and something that's graded. So you have to click on that. And this is where you'll take the 6-question multiple choice quiz. Now, it might seem like a lot to have a quiz every week or every class period, but I just like these little quizzes so that you don't have to stress out over big quizzes that are worth a lot of points. You really shouldn't even have to study for this. You just go over the PowerPoint and then you answer these questions. And hopefully you're doing this, you're not scared off because they're pretty straightforward. It says the variable that the experimenter changes or manipulates is called, and the answer is independent. And how did I know that? Well, let's look at the slides you just looked at. It says here, the variable that is manipulated or changed in the experiment is called the independent variable. So on these quizzes, I'm literally just asking you like, what's in the PowerPoint? So answer this, make sure you submit it when you're done, and you'll get points for it. So hopefully that works for you. Let me know what questions you have. If you don't have a good grade, just email me and I will help you right away. I answer my emails quick. We'll get your grade up and we'll get things rolling for you. So thank you. Bye.